as we head on throughout the day, look for another chilly weekend. Temperatures trending right about average, maybe a degree or two below average, but nothing unusual for February. Southeast, different story. Late weekend here, high pressure kind of builds here in the Gulf of Mexico. It gives us more southwesterly winds. Houston, maybe 62, 63 today. We're talking 75, 76 tomorrow. Then early next week, also those southwesterly winds warm up much of the southeast. We could see a couple of days of record highs here, also building into the plains ahead of our next storm system. Maria?
Well, Paul, if you believe Puxatawny Phil's prediction last week, and I think I know how Paul feels about it, we're in for 6 more weeks of winter. Digital lifestyle expert Andrew Felix joins us live in the studio with gadgets to help you through the rest of the winter and just life in general.
Exactly.
I mean, you've got some fun gadgets. So what do you want to start with?
We'll start with this right here. This is from GoPro, and this is their new Karma Grip. And as anybody knows, in winter, if you're skiing and so forth, you've got a GoPro hooked to a helmet and stuff. This now is their stabilizer. So no matter how you move the camera or move it, that camera is staying still, and it's actually recharging in this grip and everything. You can record everything right from the grip there, but no matter how you jump around or mount it, it's never going to change. It's going to stay still for you.
That's amazing, because there's nothing worse than watching this. You get motion sickness. All right, very cool. So you were showing me a couple of the other things. What do you got here?
Yeah, this is cool. This is brand new from a company called Renogy. This is their Phoenix portable briefcase generator. So it's an all-in-one. So this thing actually, you can charge it via the sun. There's 2 solar panels right here. You can charge it via your house, plug in the car, or a cigarette. And then this thing will in turn charge a laptop 5 times, smartphone about 36 times, a GoPro about 50 times. So depending on how much power. And then the thing is you leave this outside, the sun's going to charge it for you. Then when you're done, you can kind of close this up. And it's just like carrying a briefcase around with you.
It's one more backup for when storms come through.
If you're a business guy, put this in your trunk. If you need power for that laptop, wherever you are, you've got that now with you.
How about on the road covering the weather? All right, love it. Okay, what else?
Now this is neat from a company called 7 Hugs. This is their new remote control right here. This thing's pretty neat. No matter what you point at in your home, you can control it. So not only can you point this at your door, and I'll move this over, you can actually call Uber.
What?
But you point it at your window, and working with Weather Channel, you point at the window, it tells you all the weather. And then you can point at your TV, your Hue lights. You can point it anywhere you want at your house, and it's going to control whatever you want in your home.
I'm one of those. Sometimes I think technology is like voodoo.
Yes.
Like, that just sounds so crazy voodoo.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
And now we've got this from from Canary. This is their new HD security camera, waterproof, indoor, outdoor, wireless. There's no wires.
Yeah.
And then you've got this from Darcy from Home Depot. This is a rechargeable lantern, but you can actually plug a cord into it and charge everything up.
Weekend in Play, brought to you by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Liberty stands with you.
Liberty Mutual stood with me when I was too busy with the kids to get a repair estimate.